If you need help with your L sound, that's okay. Go check out my video and practice your L sound. When you remember how to say your L sound, come back here, then we can work on our story. We'll be working with L in reading in all positions of the words. The first part or initial, middle or medial, and the last or final sound that you hear. So let's do some practice together. I want to explain something before we get started. Lucy Loves Little Bugs is our story. I will read the sentences on the page. Then you'll read. You'll have plenty of time to read, so don't rush. If you still need more time, that's okay. You can pause the video or you can mute the sound and go back and practice. If you feel like you don't need me to model or say the sentences anymore, just mute your video and then practice with our words. Lucy has always loved bugs. She loves to see their tiny legs. Lucy loves the little legs on the beetle. She really loves hearing the little sounds little bugs make. Lucy loves to look for bugs every day. Last week, Lucy found a little light green bug. The little bug looked just like it was praying. Lucy found a praying mantis. Lucy loves to play outside even when it's dark. Last night when the sun went down, Lucy and her brother Henry looked outside. They saw yellow lights all over their backyard. When they went outside to see the yellow lights, they realized they were lightning bugs. Mom gave Lucy and Henry each a jar to collect their own lightning bugs. Lucy loves to listen to the bugs down by the lake. If you listen quietly, you can hear grasshoppers rubbing their legs together. When the grasshoppers rub their legs together, they can play lovely music just like we can do with a violin. Lucy's favorite little bug is a ladybug. She loves to count all the little black spots on the ladybug's back. The color reminds Lucy of her little toy firetruck. She loves to let little ladybugs crawl all over her arms and legs. Lucy sure does love little bugs. The end. That means you did it. What a lovely job you did with your L sound. Keep practicing and keep up the good work. If you have trouble, definitely let me know. Comment down below and tell me what you need help with. I'm here to help you. Great job. I'll see you soon. Bye. See you later.